Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Hey!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Long life and good health! Hey!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Message. Sige, Sir Manny. Kahit ayoko, kailangan ko mag-message sa'yo. Sir, gagawa ko ng bagong policy kasi employees discount dapat off-duty. Paano yung senior citizen discount? Nakalagot, ma'am. Gagawa tayong policy, hindi pwede pag on-duty ang senior citizen, ha? Joke lang, Sir Manny. Anyway, thank you, Sir Manny, sa pag-guide mo lagi, sa mga pasaway sa North Park. Ano ba? Haba namin yung pinagsama natin, Sir Manny. Away, pati away. Anyway, buti na-reach mo yung 60th birthday na yan. Kahit puro smoke. Oy, smoke-free na tayo ngayon, ha? Hinabal talaga, Sir Manny. Thank you, Sir Manny. Again, happy birthday. From audit department, happy birthday, Sir Manny.
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Yay!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny!
Priority ka na.
May 20% ka pa!
Yay!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! We wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny!
Yahoo!
See you Friday!
Hello! Happy birthday, Sir Manny. Salamat sa pag-guide sa akin. Salamat sa pagtanggap din sa department na hinahawakan niyo. Thank you sa lahat. At more birthdays to come. God bless. More alak to come.
Hello, sir! Wishing you good health, happiness, and many more wonderful years ahead. Enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Happy birthday, Sir Manny!
More birthday to come. Kami po ay team production of Monte. Thank you. Magsama pa tayo ng maraming taon.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo! God bless!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Look at you. Bagets na bagets ka pa dyan sa picture na yan. Ngayon, forgets na. Remember that photo, Sir Manny? Those were the Zumba session days natin sa Sauyo. Dati, sir, alam mo, even while you're sweaty, you have this fresh scent. Ngayon, may ibang scent ka na. Efika scent. Sir, I pray that you continue to hope in the Lord, as it says in Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. That is my prayer for you, Sir Manny. God bless you.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Wish ko sa iyo, patuloy kang maging liwanag ng buhay namin at ng iyong mga loved ones. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Sir Manny! Happy 60th!
Happy 60th birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Ayun tayo eh. Ulit na ulit.
Happy
Ano na message kay Sir Manny?
I-edit nyo ba yan, ma'am?
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny!
2, 3.
Happy 60th.
Nagpapaka-millennial kasi. So, 1, 2, 3. Seryoso? Okay. Sir Manny.
Pag nakikita ko
Seryoso? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Manny! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo!
Yes! Ma'am, baka mamaya yan lumabas yan, ha? Uy, walang in-edit si ma'am, mukhang lahat yun.
Parang lahat ng simula.
Saan niya, may bloopers pa.
Wala, umpisa yata naka-video.
Naka-bloopers tayo.
O, Ma'am Jane, solo.
Yung ano, yung ayos rin ako.
O, solo ka, solo ka.
Nakatupis lang pala pa. Happy birthday! Kala, okay, 1. Okay na yun, hindi. Yung mabuhay ka, yung galing sa'yo. Hindi, si Senik ang matindi. Ay, galit na galit ka sa pagkakaano. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.